Hi, I'm Dr. Knox. I wanted to put a debate to rest. There's a lot of chatter about Raspberry Ketone and whether the current research provided is credible. Well, I conducted a study and prescribed Apofinity's Raspberry Ketone as a weight loss supplement. Here are just a few of the phenomenal results from my research.
I couldn't do that 60 pounds ago, but I introduced Apofinity's Raspberry Ketone into my weight loss program, and within 9 months I was normal weight and doing backflips.
I used to be quite the lazy Susan. This wasn't helped at all by the fact that my diet was a little less than stellar. So, as a result, I had a muffin top and my weight would have been alright if I were 5 inches taller. Oh, did I mention I had a desk job? Yeah, everything was working against me. I got into Raspberry Ketone and my energy levels improved so much. I wasn't falling asleep at my desk anymore, and when I got off of work, I actually had it in me to start a consistent workout program. 6 months later, and here I am, my high school weight, and I'm loving life more than ever.
I have one word for you: splits. Did Raspberry Ketone enable me to automatically do the splits? No, that would be silly. They did, however, give me the boost I needed in my weight loss routine that I had been waiting for. One of the most drastic changes for me was the improvement in my sleeping habits. Literally overnight. But seriously, I sleep like a baby now, and I just feel more relaxed these days, and now I'm ruling hot yoga. Life is good.
Well, there you have it. People wanted to lose weight, and they set goals for themselves. Whether it was to do backflips, nifty yoga poses, or to be at a weight that brings back pleasant memories. There are numerous experiences of Raspberry Ketone positively impacting people's weight loss programs in different ways. So click the link in the description box below to learn more about Raspberry Ketone from Apofinity, as well as other weight loss options they have to offer.